Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over cryptocurrency. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my channel, we're going over the top 3 cryptocurrencies in 2021. The top 3 I'm investing in. I'm about to go over the platforms and explain why I'm investing in these platforms and why I think these specific cryptocurrencies, these altcoins, will have a high return on investment. So stick around, watch the whole video. You will find some very valuable information throughout this video. Now, the first cryptocurrency I'm investing in 2021 is the FunFair token, the Fun token. Now, this token right now is currently priced at 3 cents. It's a penny stock. All of the cryptocurrencies I'm about to show y'all in this video are penny stocks. So they all are good investments right now. You can invest $100 to $1,000 and get large amount of shares in all of these companies I'm about to show y'all. So the first one is FunFair. It's the first cryptocurrency I'm investing in 2021. I was exposed to FunFair through a website I use called FreeBitcoin. Now, FreeBitcoin is one of the oldest Bitcoin faucets, right, on the internet, right? They have been around for 7 years, right? And how this website works is you can come on here and you can earn free Bitcoin every day by basically playing this roll game. Like you can roll, and every hour, right, you can roll, and based on the number you get is the amount of Bitcoin that will pay you out, right? And you have a option to multiply that or bet that and multiply your Bitcoin, and you can win up to $200 every time you roll on the free Bitcoin. Now, this website got a lot of different features, like when you hold Bitcoin in a wallet, you get daily interest on the Bitcoin. You can win all different type of prizes, iPhones, Rolexes. It's a lot of different stuff. They'll give you they got lotteries and daily jackpots. It's basically a Bitcoin gaming website, which you can multiply your Bitcoin and earn Bitcoin for free, right? And what's happening on free Bitcoin is they're starting a premium membership. They're starting a premium membership on March 15th, and the premium membership is going to be backed by the FunFair token, right? And this FunFair token is used for online Bitcoin gaming, casino type websites, right? And FunFair is partnering up with Free Bitcoin, right? And this is going to make the price of this skyrocket, right? As we get closer to March 15th with this coin, Free Bitcoin will also allow you to buy and sell a FunFair from their website, so it will also act as another exchange. This coin right now is currently listed on Binance, HitBTC, Uniswap. It's on Changely. It's on a lot of good crypto exchanges that you can go ahead and you can buy Fun right now. See, it's even on Binance. So it's already got a solid foundation, and I think this coin is going to go far because it's a utility coin that's used on gaming Bitcoin websites, and this token is burnt, meaning over time the supply will drop. So when the supply drop and the demand goes up, the price will go up, right? So the all-time high for this coin, last time Bitcoin went on a major bull run back in 2018, it hit 33 cents, right? And right now it's at 3 cents. So if you get a nice position, right, you can make huge returns on this coin, right? And right now I'm holding over 29,000 of these coins on free Bitcoin, right? I'm holding them on my free Bitcoin just so I can get all of the rewards from this service, because once you hold this coin on free Bitcoin, it's a lot of different benefits you can unlock on free Bitcoin, and you can earn daily Bitcoin just by holding your Bitcoin there. So the next altcoin I'm investing in 2021 is DogeCoin. Now, to explain DogeCoin for the people who really don't understand it, DogeCoin is what's called a meme coin. This coin, this altcoin, this cryptocurrency specifically doesn't have a utility, like it doesn't have a real purpose, right? This coin is really for the people. It's a coin for, you know, all of us to invest in and grow and make valuable, right? As more people invest in this coin, the value will go up. Like DogeCoin doesn't really have a utility behind it. It's like not a platform. This is what's called a meme coin, right? I known about this coin for years, and you know, I never really took it serious, but I see now that big people are investing in it. Like the richest man in the world, Elon Musk, is promoting Dogecoin, and he's, you know, coining it. And he's claiming it to be the people's coin, right? And when you have big tech giants investing in altcoins like this, and you truly understand where the world is going, you truly understand the internet, and you got to understand like the next 10 years, like you got to really think about the next 10 years and where the world is going and how everything is moving on the internet. This could be big, like just from the hype of it, you know. And this is, I'll be 100% honest, this is a hype coin. Like you will see a lot of pump and dump activity. Like over the last 24 hours, over 9 billion was put in the Dogecoin. And if you just look it up, if you know the history, you know Dogecoin was a meme coin. It was a coin of the internet, and as long as people believe in it, as long as people, you know, invest in it and they, you know, ride the wave, it will grow, you know. So this has huge potential, but it's not a utility coin like how FunFair is. FunFair is actually used on a website. It will actually have a use, you know what I'm saying, and it will go up in value because the supply, the circulating supply will go down, right? The total supply of FunFair is 10 billion, right? And the total supply of Dogecoin is 128 billion, right? So Dogecoin will take a lot of money for Dogecoin to go up to $1, but you know, it is possible if the world believes in it, because that's just the power of the internet. You know, it's no denying that. So the next cryptocurrency I'm investing in is Bankroll Flow. Now, Bankroll Flow is literally a crypto bank, right? They treat all of your deposits, anything you deposit into the Bankroll Flow network supports the ecosystem, right? And they pay you out a daily reward. As you can see on one of my accounts, I have 2 accounts, but so far from the last not even 24 hours, I claimed money last night, but like 12 hours I made $5, right, from this. Now, how this works right now, I have 1,000 BankRX in deposit, right? That's like $1,000. It's worth, you know, 290 because of the price of BankRX. The price of BankRX is so cheap to get in, right? I got into BankRX when it was like 42 TRON per BankRX, right? And it went all the way down to 6 TRON per BankRX, right? So the value of, you know, my BankRX is $290 right now, but I have $1,000 in deposits, so I'm getting paid out $10 per day, right? That's how the Flow bankroll contract works. They pay you out 1% of your total deposit. So my total deposits is 1K, right? And I got $5. I got rewards. I have an option to reinvest this. If I reinvest this into my principal deposit, my deposits will go up. My daily interest, what I get paid out, will go up per day, and my max payout will go up, right? If I claim all of this money, you know, my max payout won't go up, but my total claim will. So I can claim all of this. Let me just show y'all how this works. You gotta interact with the smart contract. You gotta have TronLink, you know, to do this. But you see, now I have 117 BankRX available, right? And if we go to SwapX, that's $33, right? So what I could do with this $33, right? I can sell all of this this is what I do on this website. You know, I just come out and cash out my daily interest. So for example, if you was to put $10,000 in here, you would get paid out $100 per day, right? And it really would be more because of the entry point of TRX right now. So the entry point of TRX is so low that if you even put in $300, it will be like putting in $1,000, because you would get paid out $10 per day because of the amount of banker X you getting for your deposit. You know, I hope that makes sense to y'all. So I just sold all of my banker X, right, for TRX. Right now I got $41 in TRX, right? And with the $41, right, I can cash that out right into Bitcoin. Like if I go on my TronLink, hold on, it's in my TronLink now. So I just cashed out $41 from Bankroll. Now it's in my TRX. Now I can exchange the TRX to Bitcoin and cash this $41 back out. So Bankroll Flow is a good website, you know, for daily crypto income, right? It's passive income. You earn 1% a day, you know, no matter what. This is a smart contract. Let me show you my other account. I got over 3,000 in my other account. So I'm about to, hold on. My other account, see, I got 3,000 in deposits, right? Right now that's worth $900 in Banker X, but it's a lot. This is a lot value, right? So they still pay me out based on this deposit, right? And the total payout I'm gonna get on this account right here is $12,000, right? So right now I got $18, and this is growing. If we sit here and watch this, it ticks up like every minute, you know. And what it's doing, the smart contract is mining the Banker X token, and you are paid out a reward for supporting the ecosystem, right? And it costs, you know, to roll, it costs to claim. So it's a whole ecosystem where the funds, you know, are being used to transact the money, and it's being used to support the ecosystem, and it's paying you out a reward for being involved in the process. So yeah, I like Bankroll Flow. I think you got a huge potential. So those are the top 3 cryptocurrencies I'm investing in: FunFair, DogeCoin, and Bankroll. So these are the biggest, I believe, in 2021. They're all penny stocks. If y'all wanted to invest in this, you get a good position, you know. And the top one I would recommend is FunFair, Bankroll, next, then Doge, right? Those are like my you know, the top 3. I say FunFair, Bankroll, then Doge, right? Because FunFair is a utility, right? That's a utility coin. It actually has a platform and a purpose that you can come on and make extra money and get more benefits rather than just holding and waiting on the market, right? And Bankroll is the same way. You know, you could deposit money on here and it's actively working for you. Like this money, you know, this $3,000, it wouldn't have made me money just sitting around, but me depositing that on Bankroll is making me daily interest, you know, without me even having to do anything. I just come on here every day and claim, you know. And at this deposit, I get paid out $30 per day. You know, right now it's only 9:40 a.m. You know, it's only 9:40 a.m. right now, and I got $18. So it will pay me out $30 per day. I cashed out last night like $60 because I wasn't on it for a couple of days. But yeah, like this, you can let it build up for a couple of days, come back, cash out, you know, and you passively earn no matter what you deposit. And I made videos about Bankroll Flow on my page that y'all can check out. But this platform is a hidden gem. It's a hidden gem for real in 2021. So, and also DogeCoin. Y'all know DogeCoin. Got all of the tech giants, all of the millionaires invested, right? I got 100. Well, no, I got 1,100 DogeCoin, but I bought when it was 8 cents, so I need to buy again as it's dropping. But yeah, so that's my video for today. I hope y'all learned something interesting. I hope y'all take action on some of these cryptocurrencies. A lot of potential in everything I just showed y'all on this video. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment. I'm out. Peace.